Quant is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Quant, we are looking for a possible retest opportunity at our 144 resistance. From yesterday's video, of course, you can see that we did see a very nice continuation retesting our 135 support, but we actually managed to hold that level with multiple wick opportunities retesting these beautiful EMAs and then a strong push above. Of course, today was Powell's meeting, so we were expecting some bullish move, and you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum had some insane rallies, so we are expecting Quant to actually catch up, and we could be looking for a possible W formation at play. If this W formation were to play out, we could be looking to trade right back into our range and use this level as a fake out for a possible retest opportunity or even a breakout of 154. Now, of course, from a bullish case scenario, the 154 resistance level is going to be playing a very important role in order for us to see that continuation, and we could be looking for a possible retest at 175 because looking at previous price analysis, you can see that the 175 level, of course, was a very important level. Once we retested it, then we saw that massive capitulation, and ideally that's going to be a very important zone from the bullish case scenario. Now, of course, if this is another fake out opportunity and we actually manage to break below the 135, ladies and gentlemen, we definitely will be looking to retest our support level here at 124, and this, of course, is a very important support. For those of you that have been watching my videos, you guys already know the 124 support level is one of those zones that was acting as a very strong resistance point. You can see that we were pretty much consolidating in between this range and failing to break above, but once we saw that breakout opportunity, then we saw a very nice push above. This is the same sort of opportunity that we're looking for from a retest possibility, but the only problem is the fact that we've already seen two tests on this level. You guys already know the third test tends to be a breakdown formation, so this is something we have to be very careful about, assuming that the bears obviously take control of the support here at 135. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that we are trading above the exponential moving averages. We, of course, saw multiple manipulation candles happen across with the news coming out, and then the market finally rallied. As of right now, though, we are using the EMAs as support, looking for a very nice continuation. So once again, pay very close attention to 144. If we get there on the hourly time frames and start to see rejection candlesticks, that is going to be another opportunity for you guys to look for that shorting position. But assuming we break out on the hourly and retest it as support, that's going to be your confirmation that this moveset was indeed a fake out. And of course, for those of you that are on Telegram, we will keep you guys posted on these trades as well. If you guys can see in terms of the daily time frame, though, we did trade below our exponential moving averages, actually breaking below them on the daily, retesting them as resistance. You can see that we did have a beautiful move set to the downside, but it's still very early to say whether or not this is a bullish move. Although we are trading with a very strong bullish engulfing candle, we are still retesting the 9 exponential and using it as resistance. So this is one of those opportunities where you don't want to see these multiple retest opportunities and then the continuation to the downside, because of the fact this is starting to look more and more like a possible top up. You can see from my last videos that I used to make back in the day in Quant, when we actually saw that massive run up, I called the perfect top up around the $200 level, and then we saw that massive capitulation. But if you pay close attention to this range right here, this exact range is starting to look almost identical to the current range that we are at. If I were to zoom out of the chart, you can see that we are pretty much seeing the same sort of wick opportunities. Obviously, this one was a little bit larger, but in terms of retesting the 175 resistance to the current level at 144, as well as breaking below the exponential moving averages, we are in the same sort of pattern formation. This is something we have to keep in mind as we trade into the daily time frames. But of course, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a one.